welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Phase. So today is the February unboxing by Boxycharm and the theme is Afterglow. I know it's been a little bit and I'm super late to the game, but I am so excited to find out what exactly I got in my box and of course to hear what you guys got as well. So let's open up this box. Don't mind my nails, I'm just trying a little bit more natural approach with them. So first up is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and the packaging is incredible. How can you not love it? So this one has amazing reviews. I haven't tried it, but I am excited to. Based on the bristle, it looks like it's going to be a finisher, so I definitely still need another mascara to comb through before I use this one. But I cannot wait to try it out. Okay, so next is Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan highlighter and it's actually broken. I am so sad. See that it's broken. Let me make sure that I open up this carefully. Oh, so sad. I hate when the things like this happen, especially with the powders. So I'm gonna try and take a little bit of a sample just to see, not get this all over myself. And look at that shimmer. It is so incredible. It's super pigmented. That is amazing, and I'm gonna have to figure out some way of repairing this highlighter because how incredible is that shine and shimmer. So yes, I'm gonna have to fix it. All right, so moving on, we have here the Touch in Soul No Problem or Poreblem primer. And again, I've been hearing good things about this one as well, so we're gonna test it out for a little bit. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. As you can see, I think I took a little too much. So I'm just going to take a little bit and move it somewhere else. So look what a difference it made. You can see already how much it took away some of the oils. It even kind of lightened up my skin tone in its own way. So I am definitely excited to see how it's going to go on my face. Just looking at that is kind of incredible. I had to look at it in a closer view to make sure that I'm not crazy, but it definitely shows the difference. Okay, so next is Farmacy, and this is Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Now, I am super in love with Farmacy. Their makeup remover is incredible, so I cannot wait to use this facial cleanser. And finally, our last one is Trestique. This is Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. So that is the crayon portion, and we're just going to, what a beautiful color. It is definitely one I will be using. And there's the little baby primer. So we prime our lips and then we put on the crayon color for added moisture and definitely to protect our lips. So that is the final product, and as you can see, definitely exciting things. I'm so sad that the highlighter was a little bit broken, but that's okay. I will try and fix it. Definitely a quick little bit. I will be participating in the AIDS walk, as you can see, so just make sure to check in and donate a little bit. Anything counts. Thank you, babes, for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing of Boxycharm. Unfortunately, this thing was broken. It looks like an amazing highlighter though. However, sad face on the brokenness. I try to like squeeze it in as much as possible, but I am loving my box. I think it's so great and cute. So I really hope that you guys got amazing things in your boxes, and you know, don't ever be shy to let me know what you got. I always love the feedback. And as I always say, you know, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Always follow me on Themakeupphase on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, all of that, definitely. And until next time, my loves, bye.